Hello viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have started the binary tree and now we have to solve second question of a binary tree, which is leaf similar tree. Okay, so what this question is telling, there is given a leaves of a binary tree and the leaves of a binary tree is basically from left to right, the sequence is given and you just have to check. You have to return the true if two binary tree having the leaf similar, and if this leaf is not similar, then you just have to return the false. Okay, so I hope you understand this question. So let's understand with an example. Here is a 3 5 3 5 1 6 2 9 8 6 2 6 2 9 8 7 4 7 4. Okay, and again there is tree given. This is different tree. 3 5 3 5 1 6 7 6 7 4 2 4 2 9 8. So here is given a two binary tree. You just have the leaf tree is basically the leaf node is basically the ending node. So the ending node is 6 7 4 9 and 8, and in the same way there is 6 7 4 9 and 8. So the leaf node is in a first binary tree is the sequences is you just have to carry from left to right. 6 7 4 6 7 4 9 and 8. So this is the sequence of first binary tree, and the second binary tree the sequence is 6 7 4 9 and 8. Okay, so this is the sequence. So if the sequence is similar, then you just have to return the true. Okay, yeah, the sequence is similar, exactly similar, so you just have to return the true. In the same way, the sequence is 2 3 and 3 2 in a second example, so the sequence is not similar, so you just have to return the false. Okay, so this is the easiest question, I guess. So how you will approach this question? So I will create first string. I will create a string s1 and s2. Okay, I will create a toString which is initially empty, which is initially empty, and I will call the in order. Okay, in order, which will automatically give the sequence like this. In order is a, I have already solved the in order question on LeetCode, so you can search it. In order, where I pass the root 1. Root 1 basically the root of first binary tree and the string 1. Okay, and in similar, I just pass the root 2, and s2. Okay, this is the in order. And after this you just have to return if s1 equals to s2. If it is equal, then you just have to return the true, and if it is not, return true, okay, which is 1. And if it is not, then you just have to return 0, false. Okay, so in order function will look like this. For you just have to push back the middle value, okay, in front value. So let's do this. First I will create a string s1, which is and string 2 initially empty, and then in order root 1 comma s1, in order root 2 comma s2, okay, and then you just have to return s1 equals to s2. You just have to create void in order function, which will take the tree node star root comma string ampersand s, and if root equals to null, then you just have to return, okay, and if root ka left is equals to null, and root ka right is equals to null, then you just have to add the s plus equals to 2 string root ka val plus equals to this, okay, then you just have to return. Again you call the inordered function of root ka left comma s, inordered root ka right comma s. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.